Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vickie.
And we're with the Carolina Travel Channel, and we are on our way to Thomasville, North Carolina, to try out a restaurant that somebody had recommended to us called Nick's Sub Shop and something. Not sure what the something is, but we'll find out. We're on our way, we'll let you know. Well, we are here. Let's find a parking. There's a lot of people here. What? Let's go over here somewhere and park. That's a good sign when you see it real crowded. You know what I'm saying? Let's go in here and see what we can find. Let's go in here. Okay.
Slovakia. Wow.
Now you might like that because that's what we got before. So if I could see that, make it easier probably.
Well, put your glasses
Oh,
on.
is that called gyro or gyro or?
Either way's fine.
Everybody calls it different, don't they?
Yeah, I've even heard like hero.
Me too, gyro. I know I'm going to say it wrong, so. We are here at Nick's Sub Shop in Thomasville, North Carolina. We had someone say we ought to try them out. That was really good, so we are here to try them out. We'll let you know what we think, right? Yeah. Yeah. Really good. All right, guys, a definite must come here to Nick's Sub Shop and Grill, Thomasville, North Carolina, off of Old Greensboro Rd. I'll post the address. How's yours, Dave?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, people. Tell me, what is this called? The gyro? The gyro? The gyro? I don't know. I hear everybody's call it different. What's the actual pronunciation? Does anybody know? Well, we checked it out, and guys, you need to stop in here. If you're in the area of Thomasville by Old Greensboro Road, it is super good. I will drive all the way back over here just to get that gyro, hero, gyro, whatever that thing's called. I'm going to get it. But how was yours?
Mine's
pretty good.
Yep.
So stop on by Nick's and tell them the Carolina Travel sent you. Maybe they'll give you a discount, but I doubt
it.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.